We are living in a data-driven world. In 2016, the amount of data generated worldwide was over 16.1 zettabytes per year. Early 2020, the amount of data worldwide was estimated to be around 44 zettabytes. 90% of this data was created over the last 2 years. By 2025, the yearly production of data will be around 163 zettabytes. This means that data generated worldwide will grow with approximately 33.5% every year. Now, this data is created everywhere. There are already billions of consumers online. By 2030, it is estimated that 9 out of 10 people will be active on the internet. But it's not just human users. By 2025, there will be 75 billion IoT devices in the world. Data is everywhere. Last year, Google processed 3.7 million queries, Facebook say 1 million logins, and YouTube recorded 4.5 million videos viewed every 60 seconds. Now that's a lot of data. Because the enormous amount of data integration, enrichment, curation, and transformation is indispensable. It's quite obvious that given the growth of data, you need the right tooling to know where your data is, what the content of your data is, what the nature of your data is, and how to access it. You need the right tooling to share data transparently, to secure, monitor, and maintain your data flows, to be in control of your data and manage it effectively. Data integration may be indispensable, but the data integration landscape is also getting increasingly complex. Formats and protocols from more than 30 years ago are still in use, and new ones see the light of day frequently. New integration patterns are developing rapidly. Compliancy, governance, and security become more essential by the day. Infrastructures can live in countless clouds and on-premises environments. Traditional procedures and processes no longer guarantee control and ownership. Architecture and management have become the enterprise's necessity of life. Within eMagiz, we focus on making it easier, faster, and safer to work with data, ensuring that your data is available to anything that's part of the business, any system, any user, you name it. eMagiz enables data-driven decision-making within the organization. We enable you to be secure, compliant, and governed by corporate policy in terms of data management, all in a low-code manner. It reduces the need for expensive, hard-to-find, and especially difficult-to-bind software developers, as the platform comes with a drag-and-drop integration functionality and a rich connector store. This process focuses on maximizing the developer autonomy. We often talk to our customers about the enterprise integration dilemma. In our aim to create the maximum level of developer autonomy, you have to find the right trade-off between security and compliancy, speed and agility, and the level of technological complexity. It is this optimal trade-off our platform facilitates for enterprises. eMagiz delivers a platform that facilitates enterprises to integrate, enrich, curate, and transform data to any type of application or microservice using any format or any protocol. This benefits enterprises in 3 ways. First of all, it increases the speed of integration delivery. Reduce the time needed for integration delivery by as much as 30% by using eMagiz building blocks to quickly and easily build integrations, conversions, and transformations for any data source and consumer with drag-and-drop GUI in a low-code manner. Reduce your time to market and quickly react to business-driven data demand. Integrate legacy with cutting-edge new technology. Scale up and down with the speed of light. Secondly, improve data quality, reliability, and governance. Reduce operational issues and errors with proven integration and data management features, all from a single organizational overview. All documentation, architecture, and lifecycle management bases available in one platform. And last but not least, drive innovation with integration. Employ a variety of integration patterns for state-of-the-art technology. Integrate with devices and sensors and allow easy distribution of data to consumers. Adapt easily new technologies like AI, IoT, and big data. This diagram shows the core iPaaS functionality the eMagiz platform delivers. It integrates, enriches, curates, and transforms data based on any of the 3 patterns we see nowadays. messaging, event streaming, or API gateway. It allows for hybrid scenarios with any combination of these three patterns as well. Next to integration delivery, the eMagiz iPaaS also contains powerful tools to provide data modeling and master data management, cloud hosting, solution architecture, landscape management, full security, and compliancy controls, and monitoring and alerting. All this functionality is implemented over the full lifecycle of our integration development. Naturally, all this is done in low code. The platform comes with drag-and-drop integration functionality and a single platform to integrate all the patterns in a clear and standardized way. You don't have to be a Java developer, .NET programmer, or Kafka specialist to be able to build integration. There's also the connector store to support you with connectors and best practices to world-leading software vendors such as Salesforce, Microsoft, and SAP. In a typical iPaaS environment, integration lifecycle management and data management are very important to guarantee the security, compliancy, and applications of corporate data policy. eMagiz facilitates integration lifecycle management for all integrations in the platform. The capture and design phase in this lifecycle are especially unique and offer large advantages to companies. For example, in the area of documentation of your integration and your application architecture. The integration lifecycle allows organizations to deliver integration more effectively. This is only a short explanation, but we could get into more details. Curious? Find out more at eMagiz.com.